I didn't mean to. You fucking knew me.
On June 12, 2023, officers from the Las Cruces Police Department responded to a theft call at Walgreens after reports of a habitual shoplifter fleeing with stolen alcohol. This is the calm before the storm. A calm voice on the radio, but in minutes, chaos erupts.
Are they both already gone?
Oh yeah. One of them I've never really seen before, but the other one he comes in every single day. He was out here prostituting too the other night.
Oh really? Do you know his name?
I don't know his name, but I know he was arrested for stealing bottles here before.
Has he been trespassed?
Yeah. I can never get like a good picture of his face.
Oh, you don't have one in the front?
But
oh.
do you know which one he is?
Yeah, I think I do. Can you let me see the
He's a guy.
He's a guy, but he goes by a female's name, right?
Yeah. See, so he's always with him.
This guy.
Yeah, but I can never get their face because I forget that when I'm on the phone I can't take a video of them. It doesn't, I don't know why, it doesn't give me the option.
Yeah.
But that's them. And they usually go, so they run out, they have a bag, they change at the bus stop, they like change their clothes really quick, and then they go up Utah. Somebody has seen them behind Albertsons, like in that ditch.
Was that today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, well, this one was today. He took 2 bottles of Crown today.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is what he was wearing today?
Yeah.
The gray shirt with the
Yeah.
black pants?
He usually doesn't change, but he was ducked down at the bus stop, so I'm assuming he was changing.
Alright.
I don't know. And then the other one, like I said, I've never really seen before, but he just walked in, he grabbed the tequila rose. I'm like, that's an interesting.
Yeah.
And he just walked off. I was like, okay, bye.
Did you want a police report or anything?
No, we can't really do anything either way. I just have to. We're just trying to get a security guard back.
Yeah.
So as long as I put that I'm calling you guys also, the chances of us getting a security guard back is
It's higher.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's a lot higher.
Definitely understand.
We-
So yeah, sorry it took us so long.
It's
just
okay.
We got all kinds of calls in.
Yeah, I get it. That machine out there, it records everything like in 4K. It's super
Which
good.
one?
It's called LBT, that machine right there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And I'm able to message our AP and be like, hey, this happened at this time. She'll send us a link, and then we can forward it to you guys.
Oh, yeah.
But that takes like days, so I don't know. That's always an option for us, but we always opt out because it takes her the full day to go back, track it, find all of the cameras, and then,
Okay.
it's done. But as long as we call you guys, we're covering our own butts.
Alright.
Yeah,
Well,
thank
sorry
you.
again.
It's okay.
If I run into them though, I'll stop by with them. I'll identify them, and then I'll let you know if
Okay.
you want to pursue charges.
Yeah.
Then,
For
we'll
sure
go
with
that
those two. We're
Okay.
sick of them.
Yeah,
That whole wall is like almost empty.
And I'm
There's certain parts that's
you know, you would think that they would honestly put the alcohol not next to the door.
Yeah,
that'd
so we're
be-
working on something. I asked for lock boxes for this whole section. So all of this was that long-haired guy.
He took all of them?
He's taken all of them. These, we had a whole bunch in the last week. We're down to these 2. I don't know why he doesn't grab these ones. He doesn't think fast
He
enough.
probably doesn't.
No.
He probably doesn't turn
But
around.
today, well, lately their thing too is the crown. He took 2 of these earlier. It's fun times.
Yeah. I mean, I would say maybe even I don't know if they'll remodel it to where you're able to put it on at least on the opposite end. So something needs to.
It's crazy. I know it's not just us.
Yeah. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, Walmart gets hit every day.
I'm sure it's harder for them
Albertsons.
to see too. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
The moment the officer steps in, everything shifts. The suspect freezes. Fight or flight kicks in.
Seems to be the latter, sir.
Come outside.
Am I not supposed to be here?
Come outside.
Am I not supposed to be here?
Come outside.
I'm not a
Come
sir.
outside right now.
I'm not a sir.
Okay.
Don't touch.
You're gonna
Stop it. What's wrong with your problem? What's wrong with you?
Hey, you gotta stop. Put your
Why are you doing
Get on your
this?
stomach.
Why are you doing this? You don't need
Get
to
on
do
your
this
stomach
to me.
or you're gonna
You
get
don't
in
need
there.
to do this
Get
to
on
me.
your stomach.
You don't need
Get
to
on
do
your
this to
stomach.
me. You
Get
don't
on
need
your
to.
stomach.
My master's
Get on your
kicked me
stomach.
out. Get on your
My
stomach.
parents just kicked me out!
Get on your stomach.
Can you talk to me, please? I just wanted something to drink! Quit lying!
Get on your stomach.
Quit lying!
Get on your stomach or you're
Quit
gonna
lying!
get it again. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach or you're gonna get it again. Do you hear me? We're gonna be on the north.
Why are you
west side of
doing
the
this to
building.
me?
Get
Why are you doing this to me?
Get it behind. Put
Lord!
your hands behind your back.
Lord! They lie. They
Put your hands
lie.
behind your back.
They lie, Lord. Because I have a vagina. And they lie to you. You lie to everybody.
Stand
They're not
up.
gonna have sex
Stand up.
if they do this to me.
Stand
They're
up.
not gonna have sex if they do this to me.
You can hear the desperation not just from the taser, but from a person unraveling emotionally. The shouting becomes incoherent. Every sentence swings between panic, guilt, and confusion. This is trauma speaking.
Using the out of me. You pulled me out of the store. You tossed me inside the store. You pulled me out. And you wouldn't let go. You scared me. I did not know what to do with you. And you want my father's hands? Do you want my father's hands? Oh, oh, I'm asking you a question.
Stop.
You cannot. You can have my father's hands. Sure. You're just a liar. You don't care. Why do you lie to me? Why is it that you lie to me?
You're shoplifting.
Blasphemy. Blasphemy. I did not do such a thing.
Let's go. Get up.
I did not do such
Get
a
up.
thing. I can't move my legs. Listen to me.
I'm sorry, tonight.
Listen to me.
Shut up.
Blasphemy.
Negative.
Blasphemy. Blasphemy. I put a crown. I can't move my legs. Man.
You're moving them right
I
now.
can't f***ing move them.
You're moving them right
I
now.
can't. I don't know what that to move. I can't move.
Can you move?
I can't. You save me. You don't listen to me. I wasn't doing anything.
You were shoplifting.
No, I wasn't. I was gonna ask a friend to help get me a drink. I was gonna ask the manager. I was gonna ask the manager.
No.
Yes, I
At the
was.
Walgreens.
Quit lying to me. Quit lying to me. A girl said run.
Shut up.
A girl said run.
I can't hear.
A girl said run. What am I supposed to do? Get scared, not do anything?
Get up.
Why did she say such
Get
a thing?
up.
Why did she tell me to run?
Get up.
Why did she tell me to run? Why did she tell me to run? What do you want from me? Tell me what you want from me. Why do you lie? You're lying again.
go.
You're lying.
up.
I can't. Oh, I
Why
can't.
can't you move?
Because he tased me. You won't listen to me.
That doesn't mean you're
You
moving.
won't
your
listen to me. You never do.
arms. You see me, officer
You never
over
do.
there?
He doesn't listen.
He's not got down
No,
there.
he's a liar. I was gonna ask the manager for a drink.
Not here.
Well, what the hell?
At the Walgreens.
I didn't do anything. Can you stop, please? Please, just stop and care. That's all I ask. You didn't give me a chance to speak. You didn't give me a chance to speak. You didn't.
What's the address right here?
You did not give me a chance to speak.
And
And then you grabbed me inside the store. Why are you
The
lying?
address was it?
Why are you lying?
35 east side of home.
Why are you lying? They deceived me.
Yeah. He's saying that he
They
can't move his legs right now. So he Walgreens
They
showed
deceived
me.
me. They deceived me. Why do you want this from me? Why would you shoot at me? She doesn't take advantage of you. She just takes advantage of all of you. I don't know, man. You don't know me. All you do is lie. You confuse me.
Yeah.
And you found him here.
Yeah, I saw. They told me he usually frequents Idaho, so I came up here ATLing for him, and then I saw him. And as soon as he saw me at the lights, he came into the store. So I whipped around, parked, got down. As soon as I was making contact with him, he was about to open a drink from here. And then I told him, hey, get outside. So as soon as we would get outside, I went hands-on to put his hands behind his back, and then he resisted and he started flailing his arms out. I just don't know if he hit me. So then...
So your neck's kind of red.
I ran. You do?
Okay, thank you.
Then I ran.
Thank you, ma'am.
I ran to the side. I told him, if you don't stop, I'm going to tase you. And he didn't. So then I tased him. I'm sorry, short.
Look at the photo of you. You carried him over here, and then did he kick you while we were carrying him?
No, so we fell on the back end of this property, and then I picked him up and dragged him over here. Then I realized it's gonna look worse if I continue doing that. Yeah. I'll just wait for backup, and then we'll carry him over here. Come on, Jeremiah. Come on.
Don't call me that.
Okay, what do you want me to call you?
Maya.
Maya. Come on, Maya.
Mean it. Oh, I get it.
Thank you, Maya.
Blasphemy.
We used to work together, remember?
Fucking knew me. I did not do anything wrong. I trusted you too.
What happened?
You lied to me again
About what, Jeremiah?
about your feelings.
What did I tell you?
You do not like me the way you're looking at me.
We used to be friends, remember? We used
Well,
to
why would you do that?
We used to work
Why would you not defend me? They took advantage of me and you know
I'm
it.
here to take care of you.
I'm more innocent than what you think.
I'm here to take care of you, Jeremiah.
You know I'm more innocent than what you think. Why are you looking at me like that? Are you gonna leave me too?
No, I'm taking care of you, Jeremiah. Like I said, we used
You're
to...
leaving me too?
Like I said, we used to...
My family left me over sexual antics. Now John wants to point a gun at me in a cell.
Maya, can you do me a favor?
Over jealousy.
Maya, can you do me a
You are not innocent. You're guilty. You're guilty. You are guilty.
Jeremiah.
And he knows it.
We don't want to scare anybody else, okay? Would you mind keeping it quiet for us? Jeremiah? Just talk to me, bro. We're trying to hear you out.
All he does is hate me.
What in the heck?
Every single day. And then he'll
You know what? So
put his stuff in his bag right here, and then he'll come over here. He'll change or do whatever he has to do just to hide from us.
He'll
And
change.
then runs across the street.
So I took your advice, what you told me, and you said that he goes up Idaho. So I went up Idaho and I saw him. But what's weird thing is that he didn't have the alcohol.
He has it stashed.
Well, what I'm thinking is he's stealing it, but he's selling it for
drugs.
booze. Because he had in his pocket burnt aluminum foil and some straws, and that's commonly known to smoke
For
fentanyl.
booze.
Yeah. So he, because I mean, and he didn't smell like alcohol. He didn't. No.
He's not, so I know he's not drinking.
He calls the officer by his first name. There's history here. This is no stranger arrest, it's personal.